And here is the Beretta 92 Airsoft Black on sale for $21.99. Now this replica pistol puts powerful and accurate shooting ability in the palm of your hand. This Beretta 90 replica spring-powered pistol fires an amazing 260 feet per second. Other features include a smooth bore metal barrel, a 15-round drop-free heavy magazine, an integrated weaver rail with cover, and a working slide catch. Now this pistol includes 400 BB, so you can get busy firing as soon as you get your pistol. It is 10 1/4 inches by 7 2/5 inches by 4 inches overall. That's what I'm talking about. Oh! Oh! Look at that!
Uh-oh. What? Dude, I'm impressed.